How to use Microsoft Word on Android tablets. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you want to use Microsoft Word on Android tablet, then it's pretty simple. First of all, go ahead and open up your Google Play Store. Make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet, and in the search bar type in Microsoft Word and search. Look for this Microsoft Word Edit Documents application from Microsoft Corporation and tap on Install to get the app installed on your device. Wait until the application installs. It'll take a couple of minutes depending upon your internet speed. Once the application is installed, tap on Open to open the application on your tablet. Allow necessary permissions such as notifications or not. If you don't want them, you can just tap on Don't Allow, but the app may require you to turn on notifications. Now, once you're inside this home page, you can go ahead and create a new account, sign up for free, or sign into your existing account. If you don't have an account yet, tap on Sign Up for free and follow through the sign up process. If you do have an account, tap on Sign In and enter your Microsoft account's credentials. In the Sign In area, type in your email, phone, or Skype ID and click Next. Now go ahead and enter your password when prompted and you'll be able to sign into your Microsoft Word account. If you're already signed into Microsoft Word on this specific device, you'll be logged in automatically without having to enter your password. But if you're signing in for the first time, you'll need to enter your password correctly and you'll be logged in. So there you have it. You are now inside the home page of Microsoft Word. Sign in allows you to save files to your cloud and access your documents across devices. The next thing you want to do is to create a new document. In order to create a new document, go ahead and click on one of the document templates from the bottom under New at the top. Select any document type. I'm just going to click on this blank document for now. To browse Word files, photos, and media, you'll need to allow access to all files and settings, so make sure to do that. You can then create your new document. You can either choose a blank document or one of the available templates. You can also go ahead and select Open your document from the left-hand side menu and keep up with your documents. On a blank document, you can start typing in your content. The tablet interface is designed for touch, so you can easily navigate using your fingers. To make your documents look professional, you can highlight the text you want to format. Simply go ahead and tap twice on your text and then go ahead and tap on the font options at the top. You'll see a little toolbar at the top. Simply go ahead and tap on this A icon and select the font type from the drop-down, and you'll be able to change your font style, font color, highlights, font size, etc. from the same menu. You can also create bullet points from the top toolbar. You can also select numbering points, insert images and other elements in your document. After creating a document and writing it down, you can save your document by tapping the little save button at the top of the screen. While using Microsoft Word on your tablet, many features inside it will require Microsoft 365 subscriptions. So in my case, as you can see that I cannot do anything. It asks me to take the 1-month free trial for Microsoft 365. But on your phones, mostly you can be able to find free editing. But in tablets that has screens larger than 10.1 inches, many features require Microsoft 365 subscription. So that is how you will be able to use the Microsoft Word application on your tablet. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.